Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about level order traversal. The main idea of a level order traverse is to traverse all the node of a lower level before moving to any of a node of a higher level. This traverse is inspired by the breadth first search technique. You are given a binary tree and you need to find out the level order traverse of this tree. So how you can proceed. As this traverse is inspired by the BFS technique, so you can use the queue data structure to perform the level order traverse. As discussed, we are going to use the queue data structure to find out the level order traverse of a binary tree. Let's start. Take a queue data structure and push the root of a binary tree in the queue. Start a loop with a condition if queue is not empty and initialize a variable x with a current queue size, and then start a loop with a condition if x is greater than 0. Store the queue front in the temp and then store the temp data in the answer, and then pop out the front element of the queue and then decrement x, and then if temp left is not null, then push the temp left in the queue and repeat same for the right. If temp right is not null, then push the temp right in the queue and repeat this condition until the queue become empty, and at the end return the answer. First, put 1 in the queue and start the loop. At the first iteration our x is 1, and now just push 1 inside our answer and then pop out this one from the queue and check if one left contain something or not. It contains, so just put 2 in the queue and then check the one right contain something. Yes, it contains something, so just put 3 inside the queue. Now queue contain 2 and 3, so our x is 2. Now just put 2 inside our answer and then check if 2 left contains something. Yes, it contains. So just put 4 inside the queue and then check 2 right contains something. Yes, it contains. So just put 5 inside the queue and then now pop 2. And for this our x become 1. So just put pop out the front element of the queue, that is 3. So as you can see that the 3 didn't contain any left and right, so just go for the next iteration. Our queue contain 4 and 5, so our x is 2. So just put 4 in the answer and just check if 4 contain left and right. It didn't contain, so just pop the 4 from the queue, and now our x become 1. And check same thing for 5 and just put 5 inside our answer and check if 5 contain left and right. It didn't contain, so just pop out 5, and now our queue is empty, so stop the iteration and return the answer. And here is the in-order traversal of this binary. Don't forget to practice this concept: code, compete, and win.